escalated somewhat quickly as we have Hurricane Carlos now, with the NC raised the peak intensity of the system to 75 knots now, 85 miles per hour, and additional strengthening is expected. The current NC forecast brings the system to 95 knots as it moves somewhat parallel to the Mexican coast, brings around 95 knots. Yeah, I believe 95 knots, and weakens it slightly before landfall along the coast. This is kind of in accordance with both global and statistical and dynamical models, which don't intensify it much. It's a little bit puzzling why the JFS doesn't, possibly since they may be overdoing a dry air intrusion up in Mexico, but they don't have the exact, and the model doesn't have the exact, and it kinks down. The European does show some strengthening though, without any dry air intrusions, and I think that's probably the most realistic scenario. I mean, the European low-res brings systems to the 970s in pressure, which almost already is there now. But keep in mind, the full res, it's probably around 960-ish millibars. So, I mean, I mean, it looks pretty good on visible, even though visible can be deceiving a little bit. At least it looks pretty good. There's some, I think it's starting to mix out some dry air. We'll start to see some cloud tops cooling. There's still a little bit of wind shear affecting it because, as you can tell right here, the mid and low level, one is still a little bit asymmetrical, and secondly, there's the mid and low level circulations aren't perfectly aligned yet. I'm perfectly aligned, but the system is doing a good job slowly getting better organized. You also have this intense rain bands to the east, which may inhibit rapid amplification. We'll see. However, I will say the system can, assuming that this rain band is not an issue, and assuming that the system can solidify under quote in the next 6 hours or so, I think rapid intensification to a Category 3 or 4 hurricane is a distinct possibility. If not, I think it's only be like a high-end Cat 1, low-end Cat 2 kind of thing. I believe we have a record going into the system on Monday, so we'll have a better idea on how strong the system really is. I will say that models have continue to trend east, with the exception of the Youthman HFIM, which have continued to insist on issuing west. Most of the guidance is east, and most of the guidance brings the system very close or near, brings the system onshore near central Jalisco as a weakening hurricane, for reasons I cannot explain. We'll see what's right, because honestly, I don't see anything that's going to create significant weakening, aside from the inheritance of dry air. I will say, and I even think there's a slight chance that Carlos is a major hurricane at landfall. Interested in this part of the world, we need to monitor the system very closely. There's currently hurricane warnings out for around this area. I don't have the exact plots, but around this area is where there's hurricane warnings out. So if you're traveling to the states of Guerrero, Colima, Michoacán, and Jalisco, those states, they need to keep a very close eye on this thing. Now, wrap up this video. Bye.